Hello, Miri learners! Welcome to this new chapter of Speak English Like a Native. Today we are going to see, let's go to the chemist or pharmacy. Let's start. First, let's see the dialogues. Good morning. I'm looking for something to take for my throat. What are your symptoms? Take one first thing in the morning. Will the pills make me sleepy? There's a bug going around. Do you have any over-the-counter painkillers? Does your son have fever? He has a high fever. How can we ask at the chemist, pharmacy? Are there any side effects? I have a fever. Can I buy here crutches? You'll need a cast. Do you have over-the-counter painkillers? How many should I take daily? I have a cold. I'm cold. I got a rash. Take one first thing in the morning. Will the pills make me sleepy? Is there a generic brand? Can I get this over the counter? You need a prescription for getting this. Please, some band-aids, plasters. I took one pill yesterday at night. Why don't you take an aspirin? You have a terrible cough. I'm constipated. Does your son have fever? He has a high fever. My husband feels feverish. I need something to take for my cold. Which symptoms do you have? There's a bug going around. You can take 5 times per day this pill. Does it make you feel tired? This pill is non-drowsy. Thank you very much for all your help. You're welcome. Get better soon. I can't move my ankle. I have a cramp in my leg. My foot is swollen. Do I need a prescription for this medicine? I have a prescription. How many times a day? Have you taken it before? You must complete the course. Twice a day. It will be ready to pick up in 1 hour. I have to call the emergency room. Is there a night chemist, pharmacy nearby? Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuando subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye!